Alright, welcome. NFP day. Oh yes. Welcome everyone. Right, let's get this all up and running over here. Wicked. Welcome everyone. Let you all fill in. Morning. So let's just move this over here. Move that there. So yeah, it's NFP day, which is going to be interesting for later on. Look at all this news. Oh, it's going to be interesting. In GJ sells, someone says already. Okay, I'll check them out. Let's just do this over here. So let's do a fresh analysis. So it looks like I tried to take some NY buys yesterday, right around this area, when we got the closure above on the 30-minute here. Exceeded the high, but couldn't do it. Ranged for a couple hours and then it did it. Beautiful. So let's take a look at the higher time frames over here. Let's take a look. Let me move this. Beautiful. So we've got a daily flip over here. Nice. 1 second. The daily flip, delicious. The 4 hour over here is coming down as well. It's okay. That's not too shabby. So you can see we are contradicting at the moment. The 4 hour is bearish and the daily is bullish over here, which is fine. We haven't exceeded the low of the previous 4 hours, so it does suggest to me that we are quite bullish. And we could maybe continue to come back up to these highs over here. So let's take a look at the hourly candles. Yeah, so it looks like price just came up. And now it's starting to relax. We had resistance at this point. Could this act as support now? Maybe. To then continue back up. Buys are going to be nice when we flip the 4 hour and close above 300 for me. Let's look at the 30-minute time frame. Let me just adjust this to the 30-minute. Let's see the 15 as well. Yeah, beautiful. So this is the zone I'm going to be looking for buys probably, which is around about 320, 340 area. Very nice. So let me just change this over here. I'll do this different color. I'm so colorblind. Green. I'll do green here. So I'm going to be looking for buys above 152.340 over here. Right about that area would be nice. Morning everyone in the chat. Welcome. It's Friday then. Got some nice water for the morning as well, so we're going to be filling up nicely over here. So yeah, we're going to be waiting. It isn't a consolidation. I just want to wait for it to get some support over here, and then we can continue maybe the buys. Let's just see for some news, tentative, some meetings. Yeah, that's fine. Can't really do much about that. But what can we do for sales? I mean, for me, sales are going to be looking nice. Probably right around this zone over here, 862, because that'll be a break of support from here. It'll be flipping the daily candle as well, and then it'll be clean candles all the way back down over here. So I'm going to be looking for some nice sells below here. 151976. Beautiful. Very simple. Morning y'all. Morning. If you guys are new here, make sure to like and subscribe. We're doing well over here. Friday morning. Beautiful. So it's been an okay week today. This week I think it's been pretty decent. Let's take a look at this chart then over here. Luco is posting a lot of stuff in over here. Let's take a look. So first chart over here from Kevin. Broke the previous hour 4 hour highs to wait for retest of resistance, turn support to enter a buy. Beautiful. It's exactly what I said. You know, this was the resistance. Probably going to act as support right now. We do blast off. We've got some nice resistant levels to take some pips over here. So a nice range to fill up. Break for sells is going to be below here. Yeah, nice. I wanted it below this line just to be a bit safer. I can still see how that can work. And then we have nice clean candles down. 40 pip clean candles to the left. And then 93 pip range. Very choppy, no trade area. Yes, this is quite a choppy area. That would be good for a runner if you got in up here. But yeah, lovely. This is a really good diagram chart, guys. Amazing. If you want a chart like, if you want a chart kind of what you want to put on a chart, this is perfect. Really, very very tasty. I like that. Beautiful. Amazing, Kevin. Very very well done. Same for GA over here. Break for buys. Yep, me too. I'm gonna be looking for buys above there. 20-foot range before traffic to the left. Yep. And then you've got your zones, your TP1 and your TP2. You already know where you want to go. And then sells as well below the support just made. Beautiful. Very, very simple. But yeah, it's choppy. GA is very choppy at the moment, I agree. Hey Max, would you recommend backtesting for new traders? Thanks in advance. Yeah, I think that's the thing you should be doing, really. So try and get a soft FOREX or something and do some backtesting for sure. So this is GU, the 4-hour flip to daily, so everything's bearish right now. I can see there was a little support over here. But sells is going to be nice below, yeah, this one. Both 4-hour daily bearish, 27 pips range, yeah, so this is a nice zone to trade it in. For sure, let me just get it. So you can't really get into trades here because this is quite small. And then this one's quite small as well. But this is the range you want. So very, very nice. Easy setups there for sure. Beautiful, beautiful. Amazing, amazing chart work, guys, in the chat. If you haven't done one yet, make sure to whack it all in. Beautiful. Oh shit. Hello, GJ. What is happening over here? So you know, I'm going to be looking at this area right here, 100 to make some support for sure. Some support, and then maybe if you get a nice closure 15, I could take it on the support forming or formed. That would be pretty fire over here. Wow, 33 viewers, amazing. We're filling up nice over here. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet already, what are you doing, man? What are you doing? It's a Friday. It's NFP day. And a great week on stream as well. Beautiful. So yeah, I'm waiting for some support to form for sure. I think it's going to be a good option. The 4-hour has broken the low. The previous 4 hours isn't the best, and it is coming towards resistance zones. And the 4 hours haven't closed above resistance yet, like here. So I'm paying that in mind over here. But for me, I'm going to be waiting for sells a bit further in, to be honest. I mean, maybe if you get closures in this zone. Potentially, yeah, that could be quite a good option. So it looks like Kushpreet is in some profits over here now. Nice. Beautiful. So let's take a look at 15. Yeah, still a bit choppy though, but you know, we know volume comes in around about this time, so it should be pretty decent over here. Let's take a look at some other charts. Let's take a look at gold. Okay, let's take a look. So gold, it looks like it's been just coming down to its lows and then coming all the way back up. We've been doing that quite a lot recently. So let's take a look at the daily. Ooh. Okay, so the daily time frame over here is bullish. Okay, the last one closed bearish quite solidly. That's not too bad. Let's look at the 4 hour. Yeah, so 4 hour coming up over here as well, quite bullish as well. Take a look at the 1 hour. So look at this 7 o'clock candle again, moves 30 pips. There's 7 o'clock candles at the moment, man. Do you always enter on the 15? No, sometimes 30 minutes, sometimes hourly, depending on the stop loss. Because stop loss matters, boy. And so for me, it looks like it is coming towards some resistance in the 30-minute right around this area. So So right around this area is the resistance for me. If we do get a break above though, it could be quite interesting to continue. Yeah, that could be pretty nice over here. Let's take our green line. Yeah, so we're looking for buys above 17 59.960. And that could be very valid for us to get a trade over here. Beautiful. 11 likes in this chat, amazing guys. Make sure you like that like button if you do enjoy the NVP volume. It's gonna be fun, especially for gold over here. So what numbers are they expecting? Let me check over here. So average hourly earnings is going to be less. Non-farm employment change 490. So greater than forecast is good for currency. So it's meant to be really good over here. 490 compared to 235. It's quite good. Morning, Newcastle got richer. Yes, very happy about that. Thank God for that. Now I can actually go and watch a club which has a bit of money in it and it's not fucking boring. That's going to be pretty good. So yeah, GJ's just topping the zone. I want to see how it reacts on it, to be honest. Yeah. So the 4 hour and the hourly are very bearish. The daily is weak, bullish, rejecting the high. So yeah, it could be quite a good option over here. Sales are going to be nice lower down, but let's take a look at the zone. So yeah, there's about 12 to 13 pips on the flip, 24 pips on the way down. Well, if you do get a closure back in the zone, I may have a potential sell on GJ, but you know, this is where I want to price to close for a sell, right around this area. Because as you know, if you close back in an area, the area is filled, right? But if candles close above, like right here, then there is no sells, okay? Because it's respecting the support, which used to be a resistance right over here, like this. So very key level. Don't want to be getting into sells too early because that would be very silly of me. Yeah, very silly. Let's take a look at GBPAUD. I think everyone else has done the analysis for it, but let me just check over here. Wow, 43 viewers already, my guys, amazing. Make sure to like that button if you haven't already. Cracking. So let's take a look. Let's take a look over here. Daily time frame down here over here. 4 hour. 4 hours bearish. Okay. Let me get rid of this. Let me get rid of this. Let me get rid of I might just keep that actually. Okay, so it looks like we reacted, came down to the lows over here. We were looking for sells yesterday, and on the NY stream, we caught some. Well, I talked about them, and then my squad took them, which was pretty decent. It was actually breaking the lows in the 30-minute. Where was it? Yeah, right here. Breaking them lows, stop loss above was decent. So now coming back up over here, making some resistance in the 30-minute and the 15-minute. So for me, we do have a support zone right around here. Not a support, sorry, a resistance zone. 1.86424. Nice, tasty. So if we do respect these, then we should start to come down. But let's take a look at the hourly. Yeah, look at the hourly closing before. Doji candle shows the indecision. So for me, I'm going to be waiting for getting the closures above. And sells, probably wait for sells to flip the daily over here. I think that'll be a pretty good idea. That'll be pretty solid for me. Oh, look at that. Tap the zone, rinse back up. Okay. So it's really holding these buys over here. So I'm just wanting some nice volume, maybe a nice candle closure. So if this comes and then closes, and then this next one closes up like this, then I may be able to take it on the low wick forming. Stop loss below the previous. To then continue the bullish momentum on GJ, because we're quite high now. So let's take a look at the daily. Yeah, we're coming towards a very key zone, but if we do blast off over here, that could be quite nice. To then come back up to these highs over here. Yeah, these highs. So this is the current resistance, but if we do start blasting up, we should hit these highs over here, which could be nice. Oh yeah. And yeah, so gonna be nice for the London Open over here. We're gonna see what we can do, what we can get over here. So 15 minutes closing in 3 seconds time. Didn't close in the range, so for me there is no trade for sells. If you're in the Discord, make sure to try and send some charts if you haven't already. Take a look over here. No charts to stream yet. Okay, that's fine. Oh, today at 6:03. Looking for a bullish continuation if it's closed above minor resistance 152,300. Beautiful, yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Some nice support to form on the resistance level would be nice for me. Wow, this is good. A lot of candles. Dragonfly doji. Dragonfly, what the fuck? Minus 30 pips short. Ooh. It doesn't look like a 30 pip. It looks like a 20 pip, I think. Is Raja's YouTube... Good morning, squad. Is Raja's YouTube channel gone? What? Is it? Nah, it wouldn't be. Let's take a look at my subscriptions over here. Oh shit. Why the fuck's it gone? Oh damn. That's mad. You posted an IG story this morning. You got banned? How did he get banned? What happened in my session? What did he do? Oh wow, I wonder what happened. Damn, son. Yeah, look at his IG later. I was busy last night, man. I was busy. So yeah, we'll see over here in 12 minutes time where the closure is going to be. Oh, talked about oh, well, I'm not going to talk about that shit then. Yeah. Wow, mad. A mad thing. Wow, a lot of people in the chat today. Amazing. If you guys are new here, make sure to like and subscribe. If you guys are always here, make sure to like and subscribe. It takes 10 seconds out of your day and it helps me grow this beautiful live stream over here. So yeah, I'm going to be waiting for closes below, I think, for me. Right around this area, because that'll be the 4 hour, it'll be the hourly being bearish as well. The only issue is the daily, but that's alright, I think. If I do get a nice closure in here, that'll be nice. 4 hour low broke, yeah, exactly. So I'm looking quite entitled for some sells over here soon. So these are safe sells, but there's also sell opportunities when we do get a closure back in the zone over here. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. And I would want it to not be close, you know. I kind of want sells like around about this kind of area. And this will be in one of my setups over here, which I'm going to show you in a second. But if it can't close below, then I don't care, because this looks like one of the setups like this. 1 second over here. Looks like where is it? Where did I put them? Here we go. Closure back in the range over here. That's what I'm looking for today. And this is what I'm looking for. I'll do that now. Wicked. So I'm waiting for price to start to come and close back in the range, which is here, to then fill a range up. The 4 hours on our side over here, which is nice, just the daily. But if we start pushing down here, then the daily's going to get flipped as well. So that is a nice continuation to close back in the range and fill it. If not, then we can for sure take some buys soon. But gonna have to wait. 10 minutes left of the hourly. This is going to be important candle where it closes. Wasn't it? 16 likes in this chat. Amazing. 52 viewers over here. We're ready for this for the morning. 10 minutes time. Let's go. Beautiful, guys. So after the session for people in the Zoom, I'm doing a drop-in, so make sure to come just after this session for the drop-in session. You come in, ask me questions, all that good stuff. Wicked. So yeah, GBPAUD, I'm still looking for some buys above. That'll be pretty decent over here. Let me take a look at gold. So 7 o'clock, more volume come in again, which it always does at the moment. 7 o'clock, look, again, just volume just flies. For me, yeah, so higher time frames are bullish over here. So for me, I'd want buys above 175.99. That'd be pretty nice for me. That'd be pretty nice over here. 17 likes, guys. Let's try and get these likes up, boy. Let's show what we can get. Let's get these likes up. We can see clearly like it's going to be a lot of big news later on. So between like 1:30, be careful with the news, especially if you've got some gold trades on. Maybe try and close them out before it gets to that point. Only 17 likes, boys. Or they're not refreshing, guys. Let's get them likes up, man. Get them likes up, boys. But yeah, I think this week GJ on London has been pretty choked over here, which is a bit of a shame. But it's all good. You have to turn up every day. There was a 100 pip move trade, which was amazing. But apart from that, mad. New 1 hour candle is waiting. Yes, exactly. New 1 hour candle. Oh man, I didn't put enough sugar in that fucking drink. Oh my god. I'm going to be doing some sessions today on how to do Adobe Premiere, so that'll be pretty good. Send a chart in the cord, nice. Wicked, wicked, wicked. If you guys haven't joined the Discord, make sure you do so. My Nightbot will be putting it out somewhere soon. Let's take a look over here. So, holy smokes, okay. Beautiful. So you got your time zones in here, nice, okay. This is your GPY. It's 30-minute time frame. You're in a sell over here. Okay, so let's take a look. Can I go on here or not? No, I can't. Well, for me, I expect that the 4 hour and the daily are quite bullish over here. So taking a short is quite a risky business, to be honest. And also because you just got a 30-minute close bullish over here, that could be risky. You came down to these lows, retraced back up, so it kind of suggests it could be making support and flipping over here. So for me, it's probably not the best setup. I'd probably have this to break even over here, because the 30 minutes making support over here to ready to continue up the support, like what I'm looking for GJ. So be careful with these shorts over here. I think maybe shorts when you break below or wherever you flip 4 hours or dailies could be good. Look to your right, I have things written. Oh shit. Rejecting a long trend line with double top. I wouldn't say it's a double top yet. It's very, it's just in a range over here. Looking to this thing, pull back to 1.382 fib level. Overall, this pair is looking to turn bullish on the daily as T. Here's a nice double bottom created, looking to buy from this current TP. Oh, you're looking to buy? You're looking to buy here? Did you say? Because yeah, that could be. I think you need to be careful over here, because I think if you definitely exceed these highs, we're going to continue bullish, and we're looking left, clean candles to the left. Could be quite nice over here. But beautiful analysis. You got some good setups over here. You got the 50 MA on as well. Cool. You are in. No. There, I am not in. There is no trade to be in right now. What trade could I get in here? I can't see any. Can you? I can't see shit, boy. Beautiful Geo. Nice. We'll see how that plays out over here. Nice. Amazing. So yeah, we're gonna have to wait 5 minutes time. 25 likes this bitch. Let's go, let's go. 56 people over here. Nice. So yeah, I'm gonna be very, very patient over here. I'm really wanting. Oh, let's take a look. Starting to make some support now over here. Nice. Waiting for GJ to give me some options, boy. But like, if the hourly closes doji, then you can see that we're gonna have to wait maybe another 15 minutes to get the trades, if we can. Between 152.112 and 151.913, would you not class that as a no trade? 151.122 and 913. Range and tick sells below. Yeah, so you could do. The only reason why I quite like it is because the 4 hours bearish and the hourly is quite bearish if it came down to these lows. So I know when price closes back into a range for the next zone, it should fill it up as long as I've got the higher time frames in mind. So it could be a no trade zone for people, but I still think there's quite a good option over here. And to the next zone, I mean, if you do break here, it's like 15, 12 pips to the next zone, so that ain't too bad. And then I run it down to these lows over here. Could be decent. So yeah, that's what I'll be looking for on GJ over here. If you are new here then, guys, and you are looking for a good broker, make sure to check out the one that I use daily. It is IC Markets over here, and it is a beautiful broker for people outside the US and Canada, I'm pretty sure. It's pretty fire. So if you're in Europe, you need to get hooked up on this one. It's pretty fire. I just put the link out for it there. 28 likes in the stream over here, amazing. Let's try and get 50 likes before 8 o'clock, and then that'll give us some luck on GJ, and GJ will give us some good trades over here. Give us some good trades, man. So 3 minutes time over here, nice. So it looks like it is making support. It tapped the zone that we wanted to then maybe continue up over here. Mad, let's see. Let's take a look over here. Has he started it? There's so many YouTube accounts now, holy shit. Am I gonna hit 1,100? Oh my god. Nearly. You're in a self 15 pips. You got it up here? Damn, son. Well, I would take some profits for sure. That could be pretty nice. Beautiful. Let's see how London opens. Oh, he's gonna take no profits. He's risking it for a chocolate biscuit. Risking it, risking it. Like the stream, yeah, like the stream, guys. Come on, let's get these likes to this bitch. There's gonna be another giveaway very, very soon. I just need, you know, a couple more people in the YouTube live stream. So if you do have mates and stuff that are interested in this, make sure to share the stream out for all your mates, for sure. Because, you know, if I get like 200, 300 people, yeah, I can do giveaways nearly every stream and shit. That'd be fucking sick. I can just use the YouTube money that I get from the ads just to give away. That'd be sick. I'm a giver, man. I'm a giver. I'm going to look at some other charts as well because people like them. I'm going to look at GBPUSD, and I may look at another one as well somewhere. Right. So looks like it's been trending quite bearish over here on the Asian session. Damn, son. Let's take a look at the daily. I'll take a look at that in a sec, my boy. Raja's new channel. Let's take a look over here. Wicked. 559. Wicked. Cool, wicked. So yeah, daily time frame over here, guys. Let's take a look. The daily is bearish. Nice. Daily is bearish. That's all good. The last one did close bullish, making support over here, which is interesting. Let's take the 4 hour. 4 hours pushing down over here. So it's going to be looking like it's going to come back down to touch the next support, which is right around this zone, which is the 4 hour supports. And there's also a 4 hour support here as well, so there's a lot of traffic coming up on the higher time frames. Let's take a look at the hourly over here. Yeah, so it's coming back down to a major support level, which is right around here. and then further below is quite choppy, to be honest. I mean, sells below here were quite nice, so if this was London time and we've got a closure below support, so this is the support, we've got a closure this kind of, wait for the top wick and then the flip, that was a nice entry. Stop loss above the previous, 5 pip stop for 16 pip gain. That's a nice trade. Clean candles to the left over here. But it doesn't look like there can be much of it because we're coming right down to the support right here, which is fine. But oh, great, Giovanni. I like questions like that. So Giovanni said, if you had to summarize your best advice for someone looking to trade full time in 3 words, what would they be, and why? Oh, that's a good idea. That's a good one. So I think it would be best advice for someone looking to trade full time. Patience. Calculated. And stressful. But my best advice for it would be, just take your time with it. Don't rush into it. Don't try and leave everything when you haven't even, made a good income. Your income should be huge compared to your other job. It should be like 3 times, I think, 4 times. So you can pay off like 4 months, and then you can start to go, because given the stress that you have to pay your bills and stuff, that won't help your trading. It needs to be a lot greater. For sure. So let me take a look at this chart over here, sent by Matty Boy. Looking for a closure above on the 8 o'clock to make a lower wick. Okay, let's take a look over here. Is this your AUD? Oh, nice. Okay, this looks decent. Very, very clean. Yeah, so he's getting the closure above. Beautiful. Making support over here. This is what I'm looking for GJ for this candle. But it looks like he's making support, makes for the lower wick. Coming up, closing above resistance. And beautiful. What do we have to the left? We have clean candles. So beautiful. I mean, very, very nice trade that you can get in. The euro's just opening, so it should bring some nice volume. Invalid now, didn't close. Oh, it didn't close. That's a shame. But still, good setup that was. Nice to look at it, and you marked out pretty nicely over here. Delicious. Very, very good. Beautiful. So it looks like GJ's coming down over here. Flipping the daily. Oh, it's been the 30-minute over here. Nice. 8 pip stop. It's right next to support though, so I'm going to be waiting 15 more minutes to get a closure below over here. Beautiful. So let's just see over here. We're going to be exceeding the lows very, very soon. It's going to be nice. What company do you use to stream on OBS? Sorry, YouTube. It's OBS. OBS, it's free. So wow, it looks like it came from these highs over here, right at this zone. So this is going to be a very, very critical zone I'm going to be looking for over here. If you do get the closure below, it's going to be looking pretty tasty to continue sells. It could be nice over here. You're saying go down, baby. No, I want to wait, boy. So the candle flip over here, stop loss above the current. The hourly's made quite a nice top wick now, decent. The only issue is it's coming towards this zone. Okay, it needs to see how it's reacting. It could easily make support on here. Hopefully it's gonna push down, but it can make some support. You have to be patient. 40 likes to the stream, amazing guys. Thank you for turning on today. Beautiful for a Friday morning. Nice. GBPAUD over here just chilling, nothing really good going on. Not GJ, gold is starting to have a bit of resistance over here, but not too shabby. So look, very, very key level over here. I wouldn't want to be taking any trades right now until I get the closure below, for sure. Sure, boy. Let me start writing a signal just in case I can whack it in over here. So let me do that right now. Cool, wicked. Oh, looks like we're coming down over here. Beautiful. Very, very jealous. But it was on a zone where we could react off it, so there's no way I was taking any trade near there. Hell no. Um, but the closure on the 15 minutes is going to give me a really good indication of us starting to come down over here. 950 area, nice, okay. So it's going to be 860, 151, 860, beautiful, and 15. If we do break these lows over here, oh my god, well, next zone, I'm looking at where I reacted before, probably around this area over here, so 151, 550, 550 over here, delicious. So I was relying on it breaking with the open volume. What, this one here? Yeah, for sure. I think it could have been a good option over here. It's just because it was right on support. Sorry, resistance. So it can act as support. I'm still waiting for this closure for me because this could be a big zone to dip into, create liquidity, create some volume to then start to pump up and close bullish. So as long as you can get your 10 pips before it does that, that's fine. Riskier, so I've used reduced risk. Beautiful. Yeah, I still think it's valid. I mean, I still think it's valid. Everything's, you know, the hourly and the 4 hour all have, you know, bearish structure. It's all good, but yeah, I'm gonna have to be chilling. Beautiful. 72 views in this bid. Let's go. Sell stop. No, I'm going to be waiting over here. You can see now we're already struggling to find this over here. So, you know, this is why my discipline comes in. My structures come in. I know that this is a very, very key level over here. Okay, this level is resistance before. We know when we break above, resistance always acts as support over here. Okay, so I am very, very wary that we can also make support over here to start running up, and it can look something like this one, because I see this happen all day, every day. We're coming down, right? So we look left. This was the next this was a resistance, which is this one here. So this in our diagram is this here. And then this one, what's doing right now, is doing this. And if I get a nice 50-minute strong candle to flip this 4 hour over here, that'll be the confirmation, and then the entry candle will be there, and it should push up and exceed the highs. So this is what I'm really waiting for over here. But if we got the closure back in the zone over here, that would be nice. But yeah, this is why I don't take impulses, guys. Come on. Come on, boys. What are you talking about? Because sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. You know, sometimes it works very, very nicely over here. But I know if you don't get in and you don't get out very, very quickly, especially in the zones, it's hard. Max, can you please explain possible trades on gold once again? Sure, Sammy boy. So let's take a look. Oh fuck. Okay, lovely. So we're flipping the 4 hour over here. Damn. So I mean, sells for me are going to be looking pretty nice, but the only issue is we're going to have to take some sells pretty low down now. So let's take a look at the hourly. Let's take a look at the 15 minute. I mean, yeah, I mean, closures below 17 at 56 could be valid over here. If you get a closure in the next 6 minutes, so then come make a top wick and then flip down to come and flip the daily to continue down. That could be quite nice over here. Where are zones? Where are targets? Well, I can see a lot of zones and targets over here. If we do get into some closures in 6 minutes time below this zone, wait for the top wick, so it's going to look something like this. Yeah, so if this closes like that, makes a top wick, hopefully around about 10 pips for us, and then starts flipping over here, then this could be really, really solid to actually take some entries for sure. Could be quite nice over here for sure. Beautiful, beautiful. So if you do in 6 minutes time get that trade over here, that'll be pretty fire. That'll be pretty nice. GBPUSD doing the same thing over here. Look, tapping zones, reacting off them. So I hope who took some GJ sells over here? Who didn't take profits? So I know Bad Bcos, you were in a trade. Did you take any profits over here, where there could have been a resistance? Sorry, a support forming, because that's what you should have done. So So you see, you know, sometimes I don't take any of these trades because I know that they don't work half the time. For this setup on GD, do you have enough with a bullish closure in the 50-minute, or will it be better for 30-minute? Yeah, that's a very, very good point. I think for me, let's take a look over here. I may wait for the 30, mainly for the fact that we've had an hourly closure, bearish over here. So yeah, I may wait for the 30 for sure. But if this candle does close strong and then exceeds the high, that could be a potential if I can get a nice, nice entry. So yeah. Let's take a look at gold again. I'm quite intrigued in this bad lad over here. So yeah, 30-minute rejecting over here. Flipping the 4 hour. If we do get the close in 4 minutes time over here, that could be very, very delicious. Very, very delicious. Looks like GJ is coming up as well over here. Holy smokes. Holy fucking smokes, I got my money up. 5, 6. Okay, looking good over here. So if we do get the closure and then the nice top wick up towards the start of the candle and then towards halfway through the candle, if you do get a flip over here, that would be a perfect entry for me, I think. But you know, you can't get in too early because you don't know how it's going to react on this level. Look what it did here. The wick came all the way down. It couldn't close above, couldn't close below, sorry. So you don't know where price could go now. So I'm just marking out some zones over here. There we go. So 3 minutes time, I'm going to be waiting for this over here. Looks like GJ is running over here. Damn! Can we look for gold sells now? Yeah, I'm looking for gold sells this second. Oh my god. People who just took them GJ sells, they just got bummed. If you guys didn't take them sells and listen to me, make sure you like the stream, guys. If you're new here as well, make sure you subscribe. I haven't heard the Wolf of Wall Street subscription thing yet. Come on, I want to hear it. I want to hear that bitch. Make sure to come and subscribe for sure. We're here every single day. I'm going to be posting a YouTube video next week. It's going to be highly edited. I'm going to try and do that properly. I'm going to learn this weekend on how to edit properly. That'll be pretty cool. Be careful of that 1755 level, as 4 hour support is there. Quite strong support. Let's take a look. Yeah, I can see right here. I can see. Yeah, that's fine. Are gold and GJ move against each other? No, not really. It's just volume, and you know, you can't try not to colorate because it really doesn't help you in your analysis at all. It's just trying to be cool, and you know, it doesn't really do much at all, really. Just chill your beans. So yeah, looking pretty tasty over here. A minute 47. Kind of want to pull up a bit higher, like around this area, and then make the nice top wick for me. Hopefully, I've sold gold. Okay, nice. Nice. We'll see if that plays out over here. You sold gold. You sold gold. With a minute and 30 to go, when you know the next 50 minutes is going to make a top wick, so be careful about that. It means you will probably take some drawdown over here. Let's see if I'm right. Oh, so look at this now. So GG is closing. I don't like this traffic over here though, which is a bit annoying. Let's take a look at the 30. Yeah, let's take the hourly. Flipping the 4 hour again, which I do quite like. For me, I may actually wait a bit higher, to be honest. I think getting in here is just a bit risky. Look at the price action next to me. That is a decider of if I should take it or not, and it isn't the best, to be honest. Oh, look at that. Looks like gold did the move over here. Beautiful. So sells below, getting impulses over here. So if you did get an impulse, where would you put your stop loss? I mean, here maybe 128. Yeah, maybe. So look at this now. We're flipping the daily time frame over here. Oh my god. Very, very nice. So here we go, you know, people who take impulse entries. There was one today on the GJ, and there's one today in gold. You know, one was right, one was wrong. So 50% win rate today. So, you know, you have to be careful, stuff like that. Secured 50 pips in gold. Great catch. Wow, what did you get in? Like here? Damn, son. Yeah, 8 o'clock pulling up and flipping over here. Nice. On gold, where will you set send stop? Set sell stop. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna be waiting for the top wick over here. If this does continue, that's fine. But I'm gonna be waiting for a nice top wick around about this area and then to flip, I think. 74 views in this bitch. Amazing, guys. Beautiful. So look at this. 15-minute came. It did exactly what I wanted it to do over here. Came, tapped the zone, made support. Oh shit. And now he's starting to continue over here, which is nice. Getting into trade now, it would be quite hard because let's see where the stop would be. A 20 pip stop? Hell no, boy. So I'm going to be waiting for probably the 30-minute closure above resistance, which should be looking pretty tasty. Or just the 30-minute closure over here. Try and get in. That'd be looking pretty nice. But don't worry, no rush, no rush. Oh, GBPAUD over here is going to get a closure above. 4 hours flipped nicely over here. So, I mean, in 30 minutes time... Oh, did he get the closure here? Oh, it made support, though. So, it is quite a big resistance zone over here. But, where could your stop loss be? Yeah, 13 pip stop for like an 18 pip gain. That's not bad at all, really. That's not too bad. So, people trading GBPAUD could be for some nice buys. Or you could just wait for this candle to close over here, because that'll also be the 30 candle closing above. That'll give you more... confidence in the trade, and yeah, there's like a 25 pip zone that you could fill over here. Nice. Nice. So let's take a look at gold over here. Yeah, nice. I'm still liking it. I just need a bit of a top wick over here. But it looks like it's going to continue down. But the reason why I need the top wick is where would I put my stop loss over here? I can't put it anywhere, boy. That's the only way I can get in. Still got 13 minutes left of the candle. I know when I backtested gold over here, especially in the simulation, in the telegram that we did, I saw that candles would flip and, you know, exceed very, very instantly, but then they'll come back up, make the top wick, and then flip later on in the candles. That's what I want to happen and see over here for sure. And gold, where will the sell stop be? It will be exceeding these lows, so 1755. But it will be in probably like 4, 5, 6 minutes time over here, as long as you make the top wick up. Because what the top wick will do is it'll make me a nice like 15 pip stop to then continue down. That is what it would do for me. But it looks nice to continue down over here. Beautiful. Can I get your opinion on NAS cells? Strong resistance. Put a chart in Discord. Nice. Okay, I'll take a look over here. NAS cells. Are you in some cells right now? And you got a 30. So the issue is right here. I can see straight away. Closure under support. Nice. Yeah, that should have been your take profit over here. You did the move, right? I want to try and extend this and make this bigger over here. But look, right? You got the closure below, amazing. It ran, nice. Where did it run to? This is the important part over here, okay? It ran to where the support was next, which is to the left. That should have been your profit. You should have had a runner running just to be more. But instead, it looks like you were maybe a little bit greedy over here. Open click. Oh, shit. Okay. Ah, nice. Okay, nice. That helped me a lot. Cheers. So look, right? Price came down. Price came down beautifully over here. It actually hit like 40 pips, I think it is. Where did it come to? The next support, okay? Why would you then hold that trade on when you've already been in some nice profits? First of all, that should be at break even. And second of all, it has hit the support. You know, your runner can do the rest, but you know, that trade over here is textbook of why, you know, you should take your money, you should get your stop loss to break even, and then you should relax, because you know this trade over here was perfect. You got the closure below exactly what you wanted. It ran to a take profit of the next zone, which is where support was before, and that should have been it, and the runner should have done the talking, and it didn't. Obviously the runner would have closed things, so you closed half at one point, so you did manage risk, but look how big your stop loss is as well for a huge gain. I think, you know, you could have made these stop losses a lot tighter over here. I probably would have had a stop loss right here. So, you know, you got closes below the 30-minute candles. I'd probably have them back in the zone right here, where you close half. That would be my full stop loss. If you're not busy. But yeah, I think that would have been a nice thing to take the trade over here. But a beautiful trade. I mean, yeah, you just need to close earlier, man. Get some profits in there. Get some profits in this bitch, boy. I'm just gonna take a look at gold over here because it's doing what I want it to do now, which is good. Which is good over here. Giggity goo. Right, let's get this telegram up in this bitch. Gold is retesting. Yeah, I know. I'm liking this now. 155.627. Yeah, nice. Okay, I'm gonna enter a trade over here very, very soon. 60.3 to continue down. Let's take a look over here. So put my sell stop 5504. Okay, I'm gonna enter. Beautiful. Happy to take this trade over here. Very, very nice. Done what I want it to do. What I want it to do, except the fate of the trade over here. But I like it. It succeeded. Came up, made the top wick. Now we should start to run down over here. See if we can get a nice trade for London. So if you guys paid attention to me, you could also take this trade and put it in on the Telegram as well. So how am I going to manage risk? Can't really manage risk yet. Hopefully you can still continue over here. Some good pressure. Look at the 30-minute. Look at the hourly. All looking pretty tasty over here. So we'll see. So obviously I use half risk on gold over here. I use half risk, and this is a 10 pip stop. So I'm risking 5 pips on GJ basically. Very, very tasty. Very, very tasty. Thank you, Lax, for subscribing. Beautiful. So I really want to continue down over here. TP1 is going to be pretty nice. One is going to be here. Tasty. TP1. Where is it? Nice. So 7 minutes time of the candle, liking that. And if it does come back and hit my stop loss, that's beautiful. 5 pip loss on gold. I don't give a shit because it's half lots. Because when it runs nicely, it runs nicely. I took a 100 pip trade on gold last week, so you know it's nice. Let's take a look at TP2 over here, 3.4 around this area. And TP3 is all the way down here. Beautiful. So I'm wanting the volume, wanting the push now. So we'll see over here. How am I going to manage risk? I can't really manage it yet unless we flip maybe the 5 minutes over here. But I'm just going to hold it. I think it's fine. We'll see. We'll see. Beautiful. So let's take a look at some different ones. I feel like we'll be selling into the forward support to the left. Yeah, I think it's still valid though. I still think we're good over here. It's based on the 30 minutes, based on the 15. Bearish structure over here. I like it because it got a nice stop loss and a nice top wick over here. So that's why I want to take it. So GJ over here is just chilling, unfortunately. Still not much momentum pushing in, which is not nice. Hey bro, where did you get your PC? I got it from, let's take a look over here. What was it called? So Cyber Power, but it was like a custom one. It's not like a little shitty pre-built. Wait, look over here. It's great. I actually rate them, you know, they did really well. So like I got like just a random one. So like just say for example like this one over here, and then I customized it. Look. So like look, I got this case. Where's the case that I've got? This one here. Lian Lee. That one right here. And then yeah, I just did everything. Like I changed this. Got the cooler, so I got this one. I got the 3 ones. So I got that one, and yeah, it just goes through all of them, different RAMs, all that good stuff, different graphics cards. Pretty sick over here. So yeah, very nice. That's pretty cool. Did you play Far Cry 6? Nah, I don't play Far Cry. I hate single player games, man. I don't know why. I just can't hack single player games. I just get so bored. I like playing with people. I just fucking hate. I don't listen to the story. I don't listen to what they're saying. Like I just hate it. I hate it. Do 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 do. How do you spend in much in total looking to get one myself? I spent 1900. 1900, yeah. 1900, which is fine. Considering it does all my work, then you know, it's work and fun and a bit of everything. If 30-minute closing GJ could be nice support, yeah, really true. Really, you ever tried God of War? Apparently that is amazing. Yeah, is that on PS4 as well? Fuck. Yeah, mad. It's a mad thing. Do 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 do. So beautiful. Got a really nice stop over here. I'm very happy to keep this trade on, because I do see some nice potentials over here. "72 viewers, amazing, 52 likes. If you guys have learned something on stream today, make sure to like the subscribe button and all that good stuff." So 30 minutes closing over here on GJ, nice. So it's gonna be pretty decent. Beautiful. So we'll see. Get a closure over here. Wow. So guys, if you someone tell me if you guys just found me on YouTube and how you found me on YouTube, recommending. So it looks nice over here, guys. Soon I'm going to put my stop loss to break even to make it a risk-free trade over here. Very soon. I like that momentum, boy. You know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying, boy? Yeah, I'll be pretty fire. So 11 people in the Zoom over here. Beautiful. 50 minutes closing over here, nice. 30 minutes closing as well. Delicious, boy. Found you through Roger reposting your stories. Ah, nice. Yeah. You used to repost me quite a lot, and then he got too big for his boots. Nah, he had a lot of time for me in the early days. Oh, bless him. So I rate that. Max, please check chat. I will. 1 sec. I'm just in a trade at the moment. Uh, 54 likes. I found you from my friend. He followed you when you had 300 IG followers, then told me to check you out. Nice. That's pretty cool. So I'm actually liking the look of gold on the 5 minute over here. I am liking it. As long as you close bearish over here, pretty good. So GJ, yeah, it's looking nice over here. Because it is a bit choppy, I'm gonna wait probably for closures above over here, especially with this 50 minutes dipping down over here. It's just a bit annoying, you know what I'm saying? Like, so yeah. So guys, very soon on this gold trade, I'm gonna be putting my stops to break even over here. Just want a bit more. Want to get to around about 6-7 pips, and that'd be pretty nice. So the candle's opened over here, expected to make a top wick. But apart from that, should be pretty good over here. So now looking at the hourly support over here, we're starting to come towards wicks over here. So, you know, very close now. I'm going to be putting my stop loss to break even right about this time. I know it's going to be making a top wick, but I don't want to be taking the drawdown over here. So stop loss to break even over here. Stop loss to break even. And now I'm out, unfortunately. I wanted to continue there. I was on about 5-6 pips profit, and then it came and tapped me right here, which is fine. But happy to take that because look, the 30 minutes just closed as well. Look at this. So the 30 minutes just closed. It's going to be making a top wick. Do I want the drawdown of the top wick? No. I wanted to make that move just before the 30 minute and the 15 closed. It couldn't do that. So now I know it's going to be making a top wick over here. And yes, if we do come down and flip again, that is a good option. But can you see that? Beautiful. So if we take a look over here, yeah, I took break even. Beautiful, amazing. So can you see that risk management over here? That's what you got to do. You got to look at the time in the candles. I like the 5 minute. I liked how we closed below, but I also knew that the 30 minutes closing over here, and if we make a top wick, which we are gonna do, I don't want that drawdown. So I could easily just enter again if I wanted to, but I know that this top wick is gonna be forming, and now you know I would be taking 10 pips drawdown straight away. So it would have been hitting my stop loss over here. So beautiful. I wanted the push towards. It nearly got it. It was very close. Got to around 5 pips stop loss. Put it at break even. Beautiful. So let's take a look over here. Let me just add this to the thing, and then I can take a look at some charts. We can take a look at some GJ as well. Trades taken. Gold. Sells. Break even. I still think this is good. I think it's going to be nice now to flip, but I've given it a chance already. So I'll probably leave it. And here we go. This will be the move it's going to be doing now. There you go. Flipping. Beautiful. Should continue now. Should continue now. So it's made the top wick of the 30 minute over here. And that should continue back down. Beautiful. So let's take a look at GJ. Ooh, look at that. Holy shit, guys. Be careful. Careful, boy. So it looks like GJ 50 minute closed bearish over here, 30 minutes like, oh, 30 minutes just closed bullish. So yeah, it's a very choppy time for it over here. Wow, looks like a lot of volumes coming in. Let's just see if there's any news just came out. Yeah, tentative ones, it's fine. So I still think this is valid. Look at the 30 minute now. Beautiful. But yeah, that risk management of waiting for candles, you know, if you're in a trade, I can have a look over here, and yeah. Jason, is this your trade? This is not. Jason's been asking me to do his trade, and I don't even know where it is, bro. Jason, don't know where it is. You sent me it. You sent me a boy. Oh, look, it's going to continue now. So analysis was perfect over here. But yeah, as I said, you know, it is going past the hourly, which is what I expected with the volume. But now, look at the 30 minute. We are coming towards the TP zone, which is right here, these wicks. But it's too late for me to get it now. It's fine. Beautiful. It's in YouTube. Oh, okay. If you send me it, just the whole link, I'm not going to be able to see it, but you need to send the little thing. I can't see it. Just send it again. You missed impulse on gold for 15 minute top wick for your stop loss. Trade works in your favor, but you be straight away. Wait, was that English? You missed impulse on gold for 15 minute top wick for your stop loss. Trade works in your favor, but you be straight away. That makes absolutely no English. I'm sorry. Mine goes over a quick TAGJ. Mine going over a yeah, what a TA. The fuck does that mean? GJ, for me, 15 minutes chalked, 30-minute looks alright. I mean, it's getting a closure above. I mean, if we do start flipping exceeding, it's nice. But the only issue is if you get in here right now, there's lots of traffic, and also it's only 9 pips to the high. So I think we're just going to wait until we close above the high. I think that's what I'm going to be doing over here. Because if we get in too early, you know, it's causing yourself problems in this zone over here. Oh, we got another subscriber over here. Thank you, Folk Vlogs, for subscribing. Beautiful. Let's take a pull back up over here. Tasty. Are you looking to take trades during NY even though we have NFP? Yeah, I'll see GJ and stuff towards the start, but then when NFP comes, probably not. We'll just leave it. We'll probably just leave it for sure. No point getting in and risking your money for the week. It's been a slow week for me. That 100 pip trade basically saved me, but the other one's been quite quiet. We've got a -7 pip on GJ. It's been quite choked this week, to be honest. But the one yesterday, oh my god, the one yesterday was textbook trade. I posted the highlights on Instagram, and oh my god, I literally spitting double of my Forex entries, so it was beautiful, but managed to the T. So let's take a look over here. Look at that, exactly the same as I'm looking for. We've got a closure above, which is here. The next one making the bottom wick and then flipping, and I exceeded the highs. That's where I was going to get in, and that's where I got in. And GJ was not playing; it was waiting for a bit longer. Oh, another subscriber over here. Thank you, Rise Banger, for subscribing. Amazing. Very good, very difficult on GJ right now. The hours broken, the lows, not safe for buyers until 280. Yeah, right. So who in the chat took a GJ trade today, and it was a win or a loss? Who took a GJ trade? And what was the reason for taking it? Okay, Jason, okay. Sells below if you don't respect fib. Yeah, okay. Great. Safe buys above. Yeah, 33.2. That looks good. Yeah, beautiful. Very, very easy chart to look at. Beautiful. It's exactly what I'm looking for. Tasty. Buys above. They're going to be looking nice. And for sure, hopefully we can get them before. If you guys haven't joined the Discord server, make sure to do so. Nightbot has put it in the chat. Make sure to join. I'm going to be doing an update on it soon with a lot of new stuff. So let's take a look at how many people have done it now. 246 people out of 314. So make sure to come down and like it if you haven't already. Oh wow, look at that. So GBPAUD still hasn't closed above for me. Damn. Brian, no trade for me. Yeah, no trades for me. That's fair enough. That's fair enough. That's fair enough. Do you ever take trades based on the 4 hour during Asian like Razi does sometimes? Been practicing, they seem to be high probability. Not for Asian, because Asian starts at like 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm already in bed, man. I'm knackered. I can see how people works, like if they're up at that time. For sure, I can see how it works. Like if I was up at like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, I normally do look sometimes. But yeah, if I can get a 4 hour, that'd be great. Took a GJ sell and lost Alfie. Ooh, did Alfie take the impulsive sells over here? Right around this zone. Well, now Alfie, you know, you've learned that, you know, when there is resistance, it really does respect support when we come back down. So just know that. Especially here, you know, candle closures below in the zone are so important. Did you take any trades there? I took a gold break-even trade, which got to about 5-6 pips of profit, and then couldn't continue, unfortunately. Oh yeah, I didn't think about the time difference. Yeah, Asian starts quite late, like 2 AM as well. Like, oh fuck that. Hell no, boy. Yeah, I want to see that new Battlefield game though as well. Apparently that looks pretty good to get. I want to get that. New Battlefield looks fire. It seems the big moves will happen during pre-New York onwards. Yeah, exactly. Well, you know that's normally the case anyway. But that's fine. Yeah, we'll just wait patiently today. Later on, I may put some signals out for later on for sure. Because that'll help out. Beautiful. So everyone in the chat and YouTube, I want to see your trades. Someone tell me what you did. Any trades? So Brown said no trade for me. Who took GJ trades and how did you take the loss or the win? Send me some charts. So Amaddeep got break even, I think you said there. Nice. So yeah, today people in the mentorship group, the webinar is coming today, and yeah, as I said, just after this stream, we're going to be doing a beautiful session, a drop-in session, so you guys can join in. Just stay in this Zoom chat if you want to stay in, and yeah, we'll do drop-ins if you want to ask me some questions. Can you explain NFP news results and how it can affect gold? Yeah, sure thing. Very, very easy. Very, very simple. So gold is a safe haven. Gold is where starts to increase when money from the Fed starts to go. Not the money from the Fed, sorry. Money from the US goes from the economy and leaves the economy because of uncertainty or just bad news. So let's take a look over here. If unemployment rate is higher, as in higher than the 5.1, so this column over here. This is the one you need to think about because this is the forecast. Forecast is already priced in, okay? So these numbers are already priced in, okay? So if you get the unemployment rate, is if for example over here it's actually 7.8%, you know, that's not good for the US. So if it's not good for the US, US JPY should start to go down and like US 30 should start to go down and then gold to start to go up and vice versa. So if it's good news for the US, so for example, employment change is really, really good, and unemployment rate starts to decrease, then gold will start to tank and US will start to go up. But I advise if you guys are new to trading, please stay the fuck away, because if you try and get into trades at NFP, the spread will be 5 pips already, and if you get into a trade, you are basically gambling. If you want to do that, that's fine. If you have a little gambler's account, that's fine, but yeah, I wouldn't do that. Max, do Instagram story. Do Instagram story on what? Yeah, you got also, yeah, guys, everyone in the chat. I think I might do that this month. If I get people to tag and comment on my stuff, I'm gonna give someone a giveaway for sure. Ah, you've done that, nice, my boy. Beautiful. 59 viewers already, guys. Beautiful. Make sure to smash the like button if you haven't already. If you've learned something today and you haven't taken any trades because you listened to me, then well done, well done. But yeah, you can see we rejected them highs. Fire. So what am I going to be doing for some YouTube videos next week? But I'm going to be, so instead of pumping out just YouTube videos where I'm just on like this over here and I just sit on and just talk, I'm actually going to do more like editing, and I'm going to actually try and go for it, like try and do a proper good YouTube video. So what I'm going to be doing is probably a funding talent one and my experiences with it, because I can be unbiased with it now. And also I'm going to do a magic keys review, I think, and how to set them up. So for example, like this button over here, like people don't know how I set up like this, like how I do all this shit, because some I don't use, some I use, all that good stuff. I think people will like that. What does BE mean? It means break even, so as in like it hits my break even, so I didn't lose any money, just 0. It was actually £2 profit, but anyway. Yeah, break even. It's a break even trade, and like the magic keys saved me doing that. So yeah, I tell you what, if you guys don't have this, you need to get it, I'm telling you. And if you use my code over here, so if you use my code, which is on the stream, which is MXT10, you literally can go like this, right? You can go on or whatever, you can go on my YouTube or Instagram, whatever it is. So if I click on here, alright, let's just unmute this over here, and I can go here. I can go to oh, I didn't even put the magic keys on. Oh fuck, that's very, very silly of me. I maybe have to do that over here. You can either use my affiliate link or you can use the code. So if I go over here on my Instagram, now if you guys haven't followed me on Instagram yet though, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I post every day, a lot of content over here. especially if you came from YouTube. So go on here. I'll show you how cheap it is. I mean, so magic keys. You click on here. Nice. This is my link already. Beautiful. On-screen version. Scroll down. Where is it over here? There we go. One item in the bag. Oh shit. Let me go to the bag. I think it's already here. So there we go. So yeah, as I said, look, you do MXT10 for my discount. And then yeah, there we go. £26 off, and then just send it to your email address, and beautiful. $26, fucking piece of piss, and it's literally saves you so much. Do you have the same strategy as Raja? Yeah and no. I think he's more impulsively, especially right now. He's doing lots of impulses, but I think they work for NY quite a lot, whereas in London they don't, and that's why he doesn't trade London anymore. Can you see that? He did London sessions, but now he doesn't. And I think it's because he doesn't wait for closures, really. And in London you have to wait for closures, I think, because you get slapped quite hard on them. So I think I'm similar to Controller FX than Raja. And Controller FX is a lot similar to me, for sure. So look at this over here. Yeah, just plain range. That's completely fine though. Completely fine. Did gold retrace back up? Oh, reacted on that level over here. Boom. Ready to come back up over here. Look at the hourly pushing back up. Damn, son. 60 likes in this game. Amazing squad. Thank you very much for coming up over here. I'll tell you what, it's so funny, like, knowing how many people come on just because of, like, GJ. So if I see GJ, like, looking good in the morning, I'll have, like, 100 viewers. And if not, then 11 say, ah, fuck that shit. Need to come on. Bro, I need to do some giveaways and stuff on Fridays for people to come on, for sure. Oh, yeah, also a little plug over here. If you guys do want to join the mentorship over here, we are on 30 subscribers. If we get to 35, so if you get 5 more people, I'm doing a giveaway worth over £100, and it's going to be custom to the person. So I'll ask them what they fancy around about the £120 mark, £110 mark, and then I'll send it to them. So yeah, you can get your money back pretty much instantly already. And then so much like information and, you know, helping talks. For example, I'm doing a drop-in session right now after the stream where people can ask me questions, and because it's not too big, you know, I've only got like 27 people in this bitch. It's very nice. It's like a kind of one-to-one because I can literally talk to you guys all day, especially the NY session. We can talk more. I mean, on here everyone's quite quiet, but they normally are pretty they can ask lots of questions and stuff. So if you guys do want to join that, I'll put the link on over here. And like, as I said, I do webinars every single week. I do so many simulations. I do so many kind of, you know, a lot of information in here. So yeah, because it's quite a small group right now, it's beautiful. Because it's more, you know, it's more of a like a family environment. If it's too much, it's not the best. So let's take a look at GJ over here, starting to come down. Oof. 12 minutes, rejecting them highs again. Holy smokes. 30 minutes, 12 minutes time. If we get a closure back in the zone over here, could be good. Look at the hourly. 12 minutes as well. We'll see where this hourly closes. Today at 9:30, 9:15 probably. God, I can't spell for shit. So yeah, people in here, just stay in the chat when we can. Beautiful. So let's take a look over here. Luco, have you put something else in over here? It's the same one. No, it's the same one. Why does it not update me? Oh, it just looks like you've sent it again because you're blue. I'm blue, dad, buddy. So 10 minutes time over here. I feel like London ranges more than NY. Yeah, I think so. But then you could say that for yesterday at NY. Where was it? What the fuck? You can say the same exact same for NY yesterday. Where was it? Yeah, here look, ranging. So just sometimes it's just chalk days over here. Dun, 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 dun. I feel like they're ranging more than that. I think GJ is retracing downtrend. I hope it's potential sales if it breaks support. Yep. I think so too. I think if you get a closure in 10 minutes time, it can be quite a good place to get a trade. Do you have enough when the 50-minute close level to consider a closing back to range, or better go to 1 hour consider that level? Well, luckily now, Andrea, is because they're the same candle now. Look. So 9 minutes left of the 15, 9 minutes left of the 30, and 9 minutes left of the hourly. So if we do get all closures back in the zone over here, could be pretty tasty. But yeah, normally, I mean, if it is closed back in the range, it depends on the situation. If it's normally back in the range, it's closing back in the range. Sorry, if the daily and the 4 hour are both strongly bearish, then I'll still take it. But because you've got one daily bullish over here, yeah, it's nice that we're getting the 30-minute and the hourly. But yeah, I'm liking this. Nice zone to fill as well. Pretty decent over here. Pretty decent. Yeah, it's like around about this area over here. Tasty. Hey sir, do you know about removal of Rajas? Yeah, I heard about it. I'm kind of staying away from that topic so I don't get removed because I'll be fucking gutted. Did you ever have a funded account or have a build-up capital, bro, trading or job? Yeah, I did funded talent, my boy. And I also used my uni stuff. I also used to resell quite a lot of shoes and shit. So yeah, I had a good amount of money. But yeah, the main thing was funded talent. It helped me quite a lot in the past couple of months. I mean, obviously they've been dickheads now for people who had elite accounts, but I never got into that bullshit anyway. Like, all this funding stuff, you think they give you £100,000 or $100,000 of their own money? That's fucking bullshit. They don't. They give you probably 10. So yeah, the funded stuff I never really cared about the live account. The thing I liked for funded talent is they pay me bi-weekly payouts. So if you are profitable, I've done the thing on it already on Google Sheets. Yeah, where is it over here? As long as they pay me, I don't care. Exactly, man. Like this is what, you know, you can do over here. You can work it out. So look, this is percentage a week. Like, you can average. Obviously, you can do less or more, whatever. And then they pay you out the second week. Yeah, like the end of the second week. Then another 2 weeks. Then they pay you out the fourth week. But they, you know, the bi-weekly is 2, so they give you the account again. So whatever is in the account, 10% off. So then the monthly could be 750, and take off the fee, 675. So if you can do it, you know, then that's like 10. You know, if you do that for 10 months, you got a $6,000 account. Like, it's pretty good. That's basically what I did. 25k, my boy. So 25, 30k now. Yeah. What is your risk per trade? 1.4%. Well, it depends. On gold, I use a 1.5 a lot. So I use, like, you know, 150 to 200 pounds risk, and then if it's a GG, I use a 3.5 lot. Because I found that was the balance. Because if I close early, then it's about 1% loss. So I just like that. I just like that as a good value. 2% is a bit too much, and 1% is a bit too less. So 1.4 is a sweet spot for me. Yeah. That was perfect. Good questions though, guys. These are nice questions. I'm liking this. Nice questions. I like questions not just about, you know, gold, sell, buy, sell. Now, like, ask me cool questions about that. Pretty good. So if you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe and like. But yeah, I can't wait to do some new YouTube videos for sure. That'll be pretty cool. Do you withdraw monthly or just build your account? For me, I'm alright. I've got enough money outside that I can live off and not take any money out at the moment, so I just kind of compound it right now. But yeah, I mean, at the time, I'm going to be looking to buy a car soon, so I'll be taking short for that. too much. 2% was too much psychologically. Yeah. I think that was it. 2% was just quite a lot. So if you take 2 losing trades at it, 4% down. I mean, it's just your thing. Like, try not to think about other people's, like how much they risk or what lot size, because like, you know, you're your own person. You have to find what works for you. So it looks like 5 minutes time is still not getting a closure below. Holy fucking smokes! I got my money up. Oh, I'm not swearing this anymore. God dang it. I'm like Gordon Ramsay, bro. I swear all the time. Let's take a look over here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure yesterday's got done for swearing, but I don't even know when I'm swearing, man. Like, I literally can't even put a... Let's take a look over here. Oh no, it worked. Wicked. Yeah, 2% was just quite a big amount for me, unfortunately. But what can you do over here? What can you do? 39 viewers, amazing, guys. Yeah, nothing really going on in here, unfortunately. Yeah, but it's all good. What can you do? What time is it now? So coming towards 9 o'clock, that's completely fine. We know volume may drop off in half an hour. I like how disciplined you are, teaching us a lot every day. Yeah, man. Discipline's the thing, man. Discipline is all you need, boy. And you act like a robot, you know. Like yesterday we took a trade, right? And it was a beautiful loss. Risk manager put it on Instagram. And when I was younger, I'd be so pissed off with that trade because it was a perfect setup. Like, I literally couldn't have like done it any better. It was a perfect setup, and it went wrong. Like, you know, it didn't work. And when I was younger, I'd be so pissed off because I'm like, how does that not work? Like, it's literally everything. But now I know, like, you know, if you have an 80%, 70% win rate, you know, you're still gonna be taking 3 trades losses and 2 trade losses in the week or month or whatever. So yeah. Will you please check Discord? Sure thing. Let's take a look over here. This looks like gold. Oh, wow. Yeah, I did look at that entry, to be honest, with the rejections of the highs. Took a short after 4, failing to close above. Gave me a nice stop loss of 10 pips. Yeah, I think that was tasty. At 8 o'clock, waiting for the top wick and then diving down. That was nice, to be honest. I did actually rate that. Beautiful. So, did you close just 10 pips? Because, you know, for the next zone, that would have been nice. And then even to continue further, you could have got a nice 30 pips over here. Yeah, beautiful. I really like that trade setup. That was tasty. Really like that. Nice. Congrats. Beautiful. 246 clicked it. Make sure to click that button, boy. Oh, I was looking at some cars yesterday, man. I was looking at the Aston Martin website. That's fucking, oh, nice. Look at this again, coming back up now. 66 likes, amazing, guys. Let's try and get 70 likes if we haven't already. Make sure to bash that like button. Helps us all out over here. But yeah, GJ, London session over here. So let's take a look at London session this week, okay? Let's take a look. Where is it? Yeah. I'm just going to be looking at... I'm actually going to do a recap as well on the mentorship about the week. Let's take a look over here. So I think it starts at 2:30 and ends at 4:30 maybe? 4:30? Yeah, beautiful. So let's take a look at today. So yesterday's sells were actually quite nice over here. Let's take a look at the 15 though. Yeah, rejecting the highs. I tried to actually take a sell, but we could never get the top wick. So entries here were quite decent. 8 o'clock closure. A15 waiting for the top wick to continue down. That was pretty decent. But couldn't get the entry. Today chalked. Let's take a look at the next day. Beautiful. Those sells are nice. This is the 100 pip trade that I got. So I caught it right around here. So that was tasty. And then it's in the morning, I don't think I took a trade. Oh, did I not get this closure above over here? 7:45, 8 o'clock wicked down. I don't think I like this candle. So this candle to me, this one over here, You know, came all the way up, didn't really close strongly above, so I don't think I took that one. Take a look over here. Let's just check. So I think that was Monday. What day was that? Let's take a look over here. This is the 5th. The 5th of October. I can't believe it's October already, man. Oh, webcams chat back in. Hello, welcome. Amazing. Thank you for coming, you little ball bag. Come on, I want to see. Come on, I want Nightbot to ban this motherfucker. Nightbot, block his ass. Okay, let's see over here. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Yeah, so I didn't like this lower wick over here. I like the resistance closing above, and then we didn't get a bottom wick. That was it. We didn't get a bottom wick on this one. It came up straight away. Yeah. Are you double jab? Yeah, I am now. I got it a couple days ago. Great. Hey, here from Don Stream, bored at work. Beautiful, man. Don Stream, my boy. Lovely, lovely stuff. So yeah, I mean, this week's been alright. I mean, a bit choppy here. This was a nice trade. This was pretty decent here. The only issue was I think the higher time frames weren't showing me bearish, and today chalk. So not the best on London this week, unfortunately. But you know, that's what you got to do. You have to just see the moves where there's good moves. I remember like at the start of August was pretty nice. We got some delicious moves every day. Yeah, Hot Girls Friday morning. That's cool. 68 likes in this bitch. Amazing. Let's go. Let's go. Drop a like. Drop a follow. Amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna be waiting over here. Let's take a look. It looks like gold really reacted on this level. Tapped the zones. GBPAUD being a bit risky over here. GBPUSD just falling nicely. I mean, still at 8 o'clock. Makes a top wick and then flips. Pretty good over here. 4 hour and daily are very, very bearish. But yeah, nothing really much over here. Let's take a look. So for what we're going to look for gold over here, I mean, it is, look at this range. I don't really like this range, to be honest. But when we do break above and stuff, that's going to be pretty nice for sure. It's going to be pretty nice. Goodbye, sir. See you later, Imran. See you later, alligator. See you later, alligator. So yeah, I mean, GJ chalk today. It's completely fine. Doesn't look like the best price action. I'm still gonna look at it because look at this hourly closing, making support above. I quite like that. But yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a session here, guys. But thank you very much for coming on. If people are in the Zoom, though, I'm gonna be doing the drop-in session right now. So thank you everyone on YouTube, and I'll see you guys next week. Hopefully the volumes will be better. We can get that 100 pip trade again. That'll be pretty nice. So thank you very much for coming on, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Peace out. See you later, guys.